So we've lived in this house for about 12 years and our kids have grown up here. When we moved into this home, it obviously needed a lot of updates and fixes. So one update that we were really excited to work on was updating the fireplace in our master bedroom. So we actually have a fairly large master bedroom, and one of the things that we really wanted to look into was increasing the warmth and the coziness factor in this space. So we actually started looking at including a fireplace in this room. So the fireplace fit perfectly into our space and we loved how it looked even when the heat wasn't on. So I absolutely love DIY and design, and one of the great features about this fireplace are all the different media color options that you can really alternate to match with your decor or your design choices. So another feature that we love is the cool touch glass, especially when the kids are running around. So when we were designing this fireplace, we specifically wanted something where the glass would sit flush against the wall, and this design is exactly what we envisioned. So in choosing a fireplace, it was really important to our family that we chose something that was environmentally friendly, energy efficient, and low maintenance. So we absolutely love that we can use the fireplace year-round, even in the summer months. So one of the comfort challenges we had in this space was the size of the room. So it's a fairly large room. We wanted to make it feel cozy and warm. So adding a fireplace we felt would help to do that. So a memorable moment that we've had since putting in the fireplace is cuddling up together as a family, watching a movie with the fire on. It's been really nice. Our Dimplex fireplace has been a great addition to our home.